Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from Soldier Cars. Today I'm here in MOA parking area, MOA grounds, and we are gonna be testing the newest model from Isuzu Philippines, which is the D-Max 3.0. Yes, we love that 3.0 diesel engine, super punchy. It has become even better thanks to the addition of some features. We are gonna test the 4x4. Now it comes even with the rough terrain mode, and it even comes with the rear differential lock. It even comes with the around view monitoring. It even comes with the DVR. Okay. Yeah. We need to check.
Yeah.
So it records the front and the rear.
Yes, yes.
Pero hindi side.
If you download the file via USB, you can watch it on your laptop for
Oh, pero dito,
dalawa lang.
dalawa lang. Oh, wait. Parang this is more exciting. Ayun. The chicane.
So it only records. Yeah.
Okay, and then ang ganda. We can watch all the things we did, all the stupid things we did. Okay, there's so many value in this vehicle, and you know Isuzu is like one of #1 best-selling pickup trucks in the Philippines for the longest time. We're in a very simple track, but when I went around it, it's not that simple. So, 시작. Okay, right now 4x2 2H. We're gonna get to the rollers. Yes. Yes, thank you, sir. Yes. So we're gonna get stuck here, and then we are gonna use the traction feature to get out. Okay, we're gonna get stuck first. There, we're stuck here. I press the AVM, around view monitoring, and we can see the car this way and also in 3D. So right now you can see us stuck here. Okay, for us to escape from this, yes, we try to floor it, but we cannot. It's gonna show the traction orange. You see that? So the engine will lose power. One more, you see? That means we have no traction. So for us to have traction, we need to engage to
4H?
4H is enough.
Yes.
So right now we have 4x4 right now in H, and we are gonna use this traction control. So now 3, 2, 1. Wow. It's that easy. Oh my goodness, that's so fun. All right, so do we turn off the traction, or it's okay, everything?
It's okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go next, articulated ramp. I thought this was going to be very easy, but for those people who never drove in 4x4 before, you know, it's different from driving a 4x2. It really feels different, the way the power is distributed. So here we go. Just look at the AVR, it's quite accurate. There, we have a spotter, thankfully. Kaliwa, derecho, derecho. Okay, let's go.
We need to activate the diff lock.
Yes, but normally we have to activate the diff lock, but this time, even without the diff lock, we were able to go through the obstacle. That's I'm sweating. Even the aircon is very cold, but I'm sweating. You know, this actually my second time. It's so fun. Then go left. Okay, left. Then straight. And then make sure you have your thumb outside of the steering wheel when you do off-road. Oh, Kuya is gone.
Go.
Diretso na. Kuya is gone. Okay. Woohoo! There you go. And this is where we disengage. And then we go 4x4 and we turn off the traction. And now, road rider. So there you go. You know, the pickup trucks are really supposed to be a bit bouncy because they have the homework of having load at the back. How many kilo do you think?
1 ton.
1 ton. Oh, very similar with other competitors. So that's good. Right now, what I'm going to do is we're gonna do the chicane, and here we go. All right. See, I'm so confident with Isuzu D-Max. You know, I've been to rallycross with the D-Max and you know, it's so nice. It's a well-proven vehicle. And this is the place where we will test front collision mitigation system and front collision emergency braking system. That's the old MUX. I love that one, but we're gonna try to destroy it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, automatically. And there was a red light there. So for people who hear the sound of the braking for the first time, you might actually get scared, but I'm already used to it. The next one is the difficult one. This time we will use the 4x4. Earlier we were able to do it in 4x2, but we're gonna do it. Yes. Okay. All right. I'm so happy driving the D-Max. It's so fun to drive. You can go anywhere with this car. You can do anything for your business. Okay, this time 4x4. 4H is okay. 4H is okay. All right, 4H. Then AVM again. We want 3D. Oh yeah, it's gonna look nice. I don't know, but maybe we should look like this. Diba, sir? Okay, let's go. Here we go. All the sensors are working, front and rear. Ah, it's easy peasy. See? Very low RPM. We're what, 1,100 RPM? Easy. We're good? Okay. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh. Let me show you also the pitching. Minus 23 degree. See? Oh wow. So it has very capable, easy to work with car. Oh. That's what was happening.
Yes.
There, that's what we did earlier. And then when he turns on the traction rough terrain mode, he's gonna yawn. Big ramp, let's go. Oh, there. Oh, that's what you're going to do. Oh my. Shit. Now I'm scared. Oh my God. Oh wow. What a sight. What a sight. Oh wow, D-Max. So what will happen to the ramp? Oh, the hydraulic. Okay, I thought it's gonna like swing down. Okay, it's not gonna fall down. I see. This is nice. Then going down there. I see. Today's the last day, sayang. Baba. Okay, that's a lot higher than you think. That's really high, you know. Whoa! Galing. Thank you. It's really high. Oh my God. Oh my, it's high. Oh my, it's really high. Oh no. Okay, I'm turning yellow. I'm scared. 4H and 4L. 4L with diff lock on. Okay. Can I turn on the yun? Okay. Here we go. Oh my God. Okay, wait. I want to see the angle na lang. Yun. Okay, 15 degrees. Oh my, I'm panicking. Oh my God, look at, oh my gosh. 19, 24, 30, maximum, it turned red. 4, 39, 40. Oh my God. Oh wow. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my God. No wonder you only allow the professionals to do this. Oh wow. Oh wow. Hello, Pasay. What? Kanan konti. And then going down is 1, minus 1. minus 8, minus 17, minus 22, minus 26, minus 31. Wow. I never knew the clinometer will turn red. I've never tried that before. I even brought this to off-road, but I'd never experienced that before. Oh, wow. Thank you, Gerald. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! That was intense. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. And that's my first time to experience the big ramp. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Thank you again, Isuzu Philippines, and congratulations. And hopefully I can drive this car for a longer time. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. May your dreams come true, everyone. Bye-bye.